How to fix Valorant packet loss and lower ping. Now, in this video, I'm going to provide you the most common troubleshooting steps and what people usually do if they are encountering this kind of issue. So, of course, the very first thing that you want to have to try, since this is an internet issue when we talk about packet loss and lower ping, so you want to have to keep an eye on your internet provider or internet service signal right here. Now, once you have done troubleshooting from the physical router, here's what you can do next. Go into your Windows search and then type in firewall and then choose on the specific settings. It says Windows Defender Firewall with advanced settings. And once you got here, all you have to do is to choose on outbound rules, go into new rule, and then from here, go into port, hit on next. Now you should be able to see this option here that says specific remote ports, and then you also have an example here. So this is going to be the code that you can go ahead and try to input. If it works for you, copy and paste this into this tab. If it works for you, then that's good. If it's not, your last resort, or to clear cache directly from the game. To do so, just pull up your Windows search again, type in CMD, right click, and make sure to run this as an administrator. Just hit on yes if there is a prompt on the screen. And here's going to be the command that you need to execute. It's going to be netsh space winsock space reset. Hit on enter, restart your PC, and relaunch the game. And that's it. Those are the things that you can do for you to fix Valorant packet loss and lower ping.